Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm going to go shopping and bring you along with me as we hit the after Christmas sales, and I show you some of the cool things that you need to be on the lookout for. One thing to look for is all the baking stuff. So first of all, I found these treat bags. This one would be great for Valentine's Day. This one would be great for birthday parties. I found this holiday train kit. My son would have loved having a Rice Krispie treat train for his birthday. Just change the decorations from Christmas to birthday. Cupcake liners. I always get cupcake liners. These are red and white. Again, great for Valentine's Day or any day of the year. They have candy melts. Candy melts. You can eat candy melts all year long. And then sprinkles. So the red and white ones use for Valentine's Day, the green and white ones we can use for St. Patrick's Day, and then save the others for Christmas next year. At Walmart, you can get all kinds of beauty products for half off. So these premium makeup brushes, half off. Giant makeup sets that you can use for yourself or for a friend, half off. Bath bombs, half off. More makeup, half off. Nail polish sets, more makeup, sprays, and one of my favorite things is to get the bath gels and lotions and use them all year long. Need some tools? Basic tool set, measuring. This one has X-Acto knives and screwdrivers. You can buy Christmas stuff for next year. Like I got this Christmas t-shirt for $3. Or you can buy Christmas stuff that you can use all year round. So for wrapping paper, I found this silver plaid. It would be great for wedding gifts. This is a silver wood grain, white and silver polka dots, red, white, and blue stripes, perfect for birthday or 4th of July parties. A red and black plaid, gold stripes, and even this, it's like colored full jacks. This would be great for birthday parties, and it's half off. Okay, so some other things. Stuffed animals are 50% off. Anything that has like the holiday tag on it is gonna be 50% off. You can get Christmas cards for next year. And on the beauty supplies, I found this lighted LED vanity mirror for 50% off. It's not just for girls, you can get stuff for the boys too. And then I found these are like craft kits that you can get. So this is an DIY roll-on scent kit, some perfumes, and this is to make bath bombs. One thing I love to get at the after Christmas sales are the ribbon. So yes, this is a Christmas pack, but you can have red ribbon and you have gold ribbon, and it doesn't all have to be Christmassy. Here's like a burlap ribbon and just some plain red ribbon. And don't forget to stock up on your twinkle lights. Twinkle lights are great for lots of crafts. More gold ribbon. And, tissue paper. $1.50 for 100 sheets. Hope you enjoyed this Shop With Me video for sales after Christmas. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Tell all your friends, and until next time, have a great day crafting away or shopping away.